At the top left-hand corner, you'll see the menu button. To add your business, you'll see an Add Your Business and Showcase Your Treatments button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then be asked to add your business name. Add your business's main telephone number. Then click on Next. Are you a premises business or a mobile-based business? Click on the button that's relevant to you. What type of business are you? Select from the list. Add the first line of your address. Enter your city or town, your country, and enter your zip or postal code. Click on the Next button. You can drag the marker for more accuracy if required. Then click on the Use Location button. Once you've read the partner terms, click on Accept. And there you have it, you're all done. Click on the Continue button.